Welcome to constructing a best point estimate for a proportion. A point estimate is a single value or point used to approximate a population parameter. In order to estimate the population parameter for a population proportion, we're going to say the best point estimate is p hat. So this is basically the starting point to construct your interval. We're going to use a sample proportion p hat as your best point estimate. And remember earlier we mentioned that p hat is constructed with x over n, where x is the number of successes and n is the sample size. So this is our example for best point estimate. In a Pew Research Center poll, 70% of 1,501 randomly selected adults in the U.S. believe in global warming. So the sample proportion p hat is 0.70. Find the best point estimate of the proportion of adults in the U.S. who believe in global warming. So the best point estimate, remember, best point estimate is going to be our starting point. In this case, our starting point is going to be our sample proportion or p hat. In this case, our sample proportion is given to us. P hat is 0.70. If you wanted to construct it as x over n, to find what x is, you will have to, we know what n is. N is going to be the total sample size, 500 or 1,501. To construct what x is, you're going to have to take 70% or 0.70 times the 1,501. So let's get out our calculators. 0.70, whoops, let me clear this all out here. There's a lot of stuff. There we go. Okay, 0.70 times 1501. There we go. It's 1,050.7. So another way to construct p hat is our x over n. Our x over n in this case would be 1050.7 over 1501. This is important that you know the number of successes over the sample size as well as the p hat. So either way, this is important of understanding and writing out. The next one, it says in a survey of 1,550 adults, 1,054 said that they use social media website Instagram. Find the best point estimate for the population proportion of U.S. adults who use Instagram. Again, since our best point estimate is our sample proportion, we're going to construct p hat. P hat is going to be a percentage, or as we said before, x over n. X, in this case, is the number of successes, or 1,054, because they said that they use social media website Instagram, all over the sample size, which is n. The sample size n in this case is 1,550. So we take that fraction and we can divide it out. So we can write it as a fraction, or we can write it as a decimal or percent. So we're going to take 1,054 divided by 1,550, and we're going to get 0.68, or 68% is our sample percentage of adults that use or say that they use social media website Instagram.